Your hand fits perfectly in mine.
Before this video ends, you might realize your favorite artist is already being replaced. This song you're hearing right now was not created by any artists, but AI.
In your name, so stay. Don't let this moment run. My heart beats loud when you're this close. Your hand fits perfectly in mine, like it always knew the way.
No studio, no instruments, no music knowledge, no lyrics. And still, within 1 minute, the music is complete. Let me show you how.
Let's begin with step 1. Open ChatGPT and use a simple prompt. Just ask ChatGPT to generate song lyrics. The genre can be anything. You'll see that I asked for a romantic song. Now, as you can see, the complete lyrics are generated instantly with full details and exactly in the style I requested. Now let's move on to step 2. For step 2, we will open Suno.com and click on Get Started. Next, you'll need to sign up. It's free. You can use any option available, including your phone number. I'll use Google for this. Once you've signed up, you'll be redirected to the main Suno AI interface. Here, you'll receive 50 free credits daily. As you can see, I have more credits because you can earn additional ones by completing simple tasks, which you'll discover after signing up. Don't worry, you only need 5 credits to create one song. Now, on the left-hand side, click on Create. A new interface will appear. This is where the AI does its magic. On the right side, you can see songs that I generated earlier. Simply click on Lyrics, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics we just generated, then paste them into Suno AI. If you want, you can change the music style. There are several styles to choose from. Also, in the advanced settings, you can even select a male or female voice. If you don't want to change anything, just leave everything as it is and click Create. You'll see that the songs start generating within a minute. They'll be ready. By default, Suno AI generates 2 versions of the song. Now, let's listen.
In the quiet of the evening light, when the world slows down for you and me.
Notice the pitch, tone, and music. Everything sounds perfect.
Ways, but every answer I was chasing was hiding in your name. So stay, don't let this moment run. My heart beats loud.
Let me show you again, but in a different language. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate Hindi song lyrics written in English. Within seconds, the lyrics are ready. Copy them, paste them into Suno AI, and click Create. Once again, the songs are ready within a minute. Let's listen.
शाम के रंग में तू घुला सा लगे, खामोशी भी आज कुछ कहने लगे। तेरी एक मुस्कान के खातिर ही तो ये दिल हर रोज थोड़ा सा जलने लगे।
राहों में जब तू मेरे साथ चले, हर मोड़ पे लगता है घर मिल गया।
After the song is generated, choose your favorite version and click on the three dots, then select Download, followed by MP3 Audio. A dialog box will appear regarding commercial rights. Just click Download anyway. You can use the song for personal use only.
AI music isn't just a tool anymore. Most people think AI creates music. The future belongs to artists who are authentic, equipped with AI. So stop searching playlists made by others. Create music that feels exactly like you. Thanks for watching. More on AI like this in my previous videos. See you in the next one.